Alright everyone, so 48 hours later with the Galaxy A14 5G right here, I made a big mistake guys. So the Galaxy A14 5G actually has the same processor as last year's A13 5G. That kind of pissed me off. I thought we had the Exynos 1330 inside of here until I was corrected, so shout out to the person that let me know about this. But India and I believe Europe is the only version that I know of so far that has the Exynos 1330 inside of the Galaxy A14 5G. So they just recycled the same processor from the A13 5G and put it in the A14. So I'm kind of mad about that, to be quite honest. It seems like they do that a lot more in the United States. They usually have a bunch more options, and budget phones and mid-range phones are a lot more prevalent in India, Asia, and overseas in Europe and stuff. So, you know, same processor. Other than that, I'm not mad about this device though. There has been some upgrades in the form factor. Of course, we have Android 13, so we have the latest operating system in UI. So we have UI Core 5.0 inside this device as well. The other thing as well is you're going to see a dramatic difference in the display. This display looks really, really good. We have some really punchy colors, 1080p instead of 720p, of course, a 90 hertz refresh rate, and I'm loving this form factor so far. Really loving this form factor. I think the angles and everything are actually really nice. This phone looks much more premium than the A13 5G, and everything considered, I still believe this device is a really good phone, considering, you know, of course, this only cost $199 completely unlocked. So if you need a device completely unlocked for $199, this is going to be an exceptional deal. For anybody that wanted to upgrade from the A13 5G to the A14 5G, this is not going to be a great upgrade. The only thing you're going to see is, of course, we have the latest Android, we have a newer form factor, which is sexy, and we have a updated display, a better display, actually 130 pixels per inch better. Of course, it's full HD as well, but those are the only things you're going to see as far as, you know, upgraded from the A13 to the A14 5G. Not really too much has changed on this device, but if you guys have the A11 or A12, I would definitely upgrade to the A14 5G, but A13 to the A14 5G, just keep your device. Another thing that I noticed is I just got this cheap little case from Metro by T-Mobile, but this is how the cases are going to look on the A14 5G. So I really like that they did this. It definitely gives us a lot more power to kind of pimp out your phone. I really do like that they only kept the LED flash right there and the lenses, of course, because you can just change the color of your phone pretty much every single day. So I feel like the cutout for the cameras and everything is nice. I don't know if every case is going to be like this. I'm assuming they are, but I think cases are definitely going to look good on this device, and the speaker on this device is actually good as well. I haven't had any hiccups or glitches or anything like that going through the UI. Also, I just played a few different games on here, some very high graphic intensive games. Genshin Impact played well on low graphics. There was a few hiccups, but other than that, it played pretty well. Also, Call of Duty Mobile played exceptionally well, and you guys can see the rest of the games in my gaming review video. But 48 hours later, I'm liking this device. I don't think you should upgrade if you guys have the A13 5G. Again, if you have the A11 or A12 or any other phone that, you know, has a lower processor, lower display, or any other thing that you see in this phone that your phone doesn't have, I could definitely recommend this phone. Really still mad that this has the Dimensity 700 though. That really sucks, to be quite honest. I was super happy when I was thinking this was the Exynos 1330, but I was definitely saddened very quickly, and it only lasted about 24 hours. So I saw this device on Samsung's website last night, I believe at like 11:30 or 12 a.m. or something like that. And of course, we saw the full specifications. When I was on gsmarena.com, it said Exynos 1330, but I guess it was talking about the overseas version. Also, pretty much every other website said Exynos 1330. I didn't see it anywhere else. But you know how Metro and T-Mobile does, they don't ever show the full well, I don't know about T-Mobile, but Metro by T-Mobile, they'll just show you like 64 gigabytes of internal storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM and stuff, and they won't go into detail about the processor. So Metro by T-Mobile, show the full specs of your device, please. And I apologize to anybody that thought it had the Exynos 1330. But other than that, great phone. Yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.